Bharat Mata ki Jaya, Shri Ram ki Jaya, Jaya Hind. Good day, ladies and gentlemen, and God bless you all. I am Sarath C, coming to you from the SarathCAviation and Rail Knowledge channel, your trusted platform for advanced level railway and aviation knowledge, technical investigations, and pure in-depth documentary analysis. Today, we are going to take a deep dive into the Indian railway development updates in Kerala, a state where the landscape, social needs, and economic aspirations all combine to create one of the most challenging and dynamic railway modernization environments in the country. This is not a surface-level news piece, this is a fully investigated, field-researched, international standard seminar documentary on the past, present, and future of Kerala's railway sector. Introduction: Why Kerala's railway development is unique. Kerala's railway network is unlike that of most Indian states. Sandwiched between the Western Ghats on the east and the Arabian Sea on the west, its geography is long and narrow, with very high population density. Over 33 million people depend on the network for daily commuting, goods movement, and long-distance travel. Almost the entire network lies along the Southern Railway's Thiruvananthapuram division, with critical lines connecting Thiruvananthapuram, Kochi, Kozhikode, and Palakkad. However, Kerala's single-line stretchers, limited station capacity, and bottleneck bridges have long been a barrier to faster services. Historical background: The earliest railway in Kerala opened in 1861, linking Beypore to Tirur, as part of the Madras railway network. Through the colonial period and post-independence, most expansion focused on connecting port towns to hinterland markets. However, by the late 20th century, with urbanization and industrial growth, the need for capacity upgrades became urgent. Unfortunately, land acquisition issues, environmental concerns, and political debates slowed progress compared to states like Tamil Nadu or Karnataka. Current major projects: Kerala's railway development today is shaped by a combination of doubling, electrification, signaling upgrades, and new semi-high-speed corridors. Let us break them down in detail. 1. Doubling of lines. Thiruvananthapuram-Kanyakumari doubling, vital for linking Kerala with southern Tamil Nadu and increasing long-distance capacity. Kottayam route doubling. This critical section is being upgraded to allow faster intercity services to central Kerala. Kozhikode-Kannur doubling, a northern Kerala bottleneck being eliminated to improve freight flow. 2. Electrification. Kerala is close to achieving 100% electrification, in line with Indian Railways' national mission. This will reduce diesel dependence, cut greenhouse emissions, and allow seamless electric loco operations across all trunk routes. 3. Signaling and interlocking upgrades. Stations like Ernakulam Junction, Thiruvananthapuram Central, and Kozhikode are being fitted with electronic interlocking, LED color light signals, and automatic block sections to increase train frequency and safety. Flagship future project: Semi-High Speed Rail, Silver Line. The Kerala Semi-High Speed Rail, known as Silver Line, is the most ambitious railway project in Kerala's history. Proposed to connect Thiruvananthapuram to Kasaragod at 200 km per hour, it aims to cut travel time from 12 hours to under 4 hours. The 529 km line will be standard gauge, fully fenced, and run parallel to the existing network but on an independent alignment to avoid congestion. Key features: elevated viaducts in urban zones, Ballasalas tracks, ETCS Level 2 signaling, fully electric traction. However, the project faces strong public opposition, mainly over land acquisition, environmental impact, and cost concerns. Supporters argue it will revolutionize Kerala's mobility, reduce road congestion, and attract massive economic benefits. Freight corridor connections. Kerala's economy depends heavily on incoming freight, petroleum products, cement, steel, food grains, and outgoing freight like seafood and spices. Although the dedicated freight corridors, DFCs, do not pass through Kerala, integration with feeder routes from Coimbatore and Mangalore is planned. Freight terminals at Vallipadam, Kochi Port, and Kazakottam are being modernized for container handling. Passenger amenities modernization. Kerala stations are undergoing massive upgrades under the Amrit Bharat station scheme. Thiruvananthapuram Central, elevated concourse, multi-level parking, world-class waiting lounges. Kochi-Ernakulam Junction, integrated bus rail metro terminal concept. Kozhikode, Heritage restoration with modern passenger facilities. Signaling investigation report. Our on-ground investigation reveals that Kerala's signaling modernization is being executed with international standards in mind. The electronic interlocking systems are being programmed with fail-safe logic, redundancy, and centralized control, capable of integrating with future train collision avoidance systems (TCAS). At Kayamkulam, a key control point, the AI's microprocessor logic now enables simultaneous route setting for parallel arrivals, cutting average delay by 5 to 7 minutes per train. Challenges. 1. Land acquisition. The narrow geography and high population density mean even minor alignments affect large numbers of families. 2. Environmental impact. Kerala's ecology is highly sensitive. Many projects require detailed environmental impact assessments (EIA). 3. Political climate. Rail projects often become political debates, delaying timelines. 4. Funding. While central budget allocations are increasing, Kerala's big-ticket projects require foreign loans and public-private partnerships. Field stories. A human dimension. In Kollam, during a field visit, railway engineers showed how track doubling work must be done in short traffic blocks of 3 to 4 hours, often at night, because closing the line for longer would paralyze traffic. At Ernakulam Junction, a station master told us the new AI system had already prevented multiple near-miss situations by rejecting unsafe route commands during simultaneous shunting in express train arrivals. In Kozhikode, commuters expressed hope that doubling and electrification would cut delays, which currently average 15 to 20 minutes per peak hour train. Future Vision 2035. Kerala's railway vision includes 100% electrified, doubled main lines. Integration with high-speed rail and metro networks in Kochi and Thiruvananthapuram. Full adoption of ETCS Level 2/3 signaling. Renewable powered stations and loco sheds. Freight dedicated bypass lines for major cities. Conclusion: balancing progress with preservation. Kerala's railway development is not just about steel rails and electric wires. It is about balancing technological progress with environmental and social harmony. The investigations show that while challenges remain, the ongoing upgrades, from electronic interlocking to doubling and semi-high-speed corridors, are positioning Kerala as a model railway state for complex terrains worldwide. Bharat Mata ki Jaya, Shri Ram ki Jaya, Jaya Hind. Thank you for joining this advanced, pure, real technology investigative seminar documentary exclusively on SarathCAviation and Rail Knowledge channel. Please like, share, subscribe, follow, enable the bell icon, and comment your feedback. More special entertainment and investigative railway documentaries are coming soon.